Boy, look at my dog putting these fake ass eyebrows on and shit. And now them things look crusty though. Look at the dog. Oh shit! Oh shit now! I know why he's trying to make her complexion look better and shit. She dark, but she ain't that dark now, but you know. You know damn well that shit do not blend with your damn skin. And oh no, this what y'all be doing in y'all spare time? Why you put all them lines on your face like that? Then you put the shit around your oh no. Oh, look at you. Oh, look at that girl. Looking like a big egg sandwich. Alright, you go girl.